Hi my friends, my name is Leisha and I am so happy you're here. Today I want to talk about where we've been, why I haven't been uploading videos, and what we've been up to the past few months. We've celebrated Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, and Easter. We've been working hard on the reptile room and got to open it again, which has been so exciting and so fun. I filmed a few failed videos, and speaking of failed videos, here's one now. I was planning on making the cutest Valentine's Day video. Every year for Valentine's Day, we set up a fort and we make snacks and we watch a movie in our fort as a family. We love to have Valentine's Day family dates. So this year I thought it would be super fun to make snacks with the kids. We did chocolate covered pretzels and chocolate covered strawberries and all sorts of fun things. I recorded me and the kids making it together and what we were doing to make it super duper special. Halfway through the day, we went to my sister Jenna's house for dinner with some of the family. Louder, louder! And then we came back and started setting up the fort.
And the drink that we're gonna have, and lots of candies. Popcorn, these are things that we put on our popcorn to make the flavor taste different. And this is a little seat, and here's Owen and Dad.
Whatever that guy's name is.
And that's pretty much all.
I thought it would be so cute to do this whole fort and film us inside of it and watching our movie, and then do a Q&A with me and Clinty at the end. Me and Clint sat down to answer a few questions and it just didn't end up working out. I had to scrap that video and not release it, but at least you can see a few of the highlights here. One of the fun things that we have done since I haven't been uploading videos is my dad bought some land up the canyon near our house. So we got to go scout out Dad's new land. We walked the property line. We went sledding there as a family. My sister brought her Jeep and they did some rock crawling. I think that's what it's called with Jeeps, right? They did some rock crawling and that was super fun. My mom does Grandma Day every Thursday, and that's been a highlight of our weeks, especially Penny Rose. She does it while the older kids are in school so that the youngers who aren't in school yet can come hear Grandma read a few stories. They do a craft together, and every time my mom feeds all the kids lunch. Penny Rose loves that and looks forward to it every day. Feet are falling asleep. My feet are falling asleep. How long has that hair been like that? Okay, I'm gonna sit down. We want to let people and businesses sponsor Enclosures so that they can get advertising and see their name in a really cool place in our room that's so special to us. So I've been working on mocking up what Enclosures will look like so that people can decide which ones they want to sponsor. That's been fun and hard. I totally don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I've been arranging flowers these last few months. In fact, another failed video coming right up. I thought it would be so fun to arrange a few flowers. I went to a thrift store by me and grabbed some baskets to arrange flowers in. I got the camera up close and personal, and I just pretended like I was on a Marco Polo, and I just chatted about my day. I chatted about how I arrange flowers and the reasons I put greenery and flowers and blooms and things where I do, and I was so excited about it. It was such a fun video to just sit down and chat. And when I went back after filming the entire thing, I went back to look at the footage, and the audio was bad. I filmed it on my phone, and there was something with my phone speaker or microphone, and it was cracking the whole time. So I filmed this beautiful video that I was super excited about, and I didn't end up getting to release it either. But I would like to know, would you guys like to see a video like that, where we just chat and talk and keep it super casual while we learn how to create or do something together? If you would like that, please let me know by telling me in the comments. Okay, I had to share this picture because it's so darn cute. I have to burn this in my memory because I never want to forget. I was getting ready for the day, and I asked Owen to babysit Martha while I did my hair and makeup. I went and checked in on them, and Owen had Martha sitting in this basket, and I was like, Owen, what are you doing? And he said, what? She's having the time of her life in here, like baby Moses. Martha spent her first time in a swing, and she absolutely loved it. Can you hear Martha screaming? She's playing with Penny Rose right now. Oh, there she goes again. Oh, one of the days I got Owen and some cousins out from school early, and I took them to the zoo, which was so fun. And it was a really cool day to go to the zoo. All the animals were out and active, and we adored it. We love going to zoos. Zoos are the best. We got to do Joy School at the reptile room. Penny has a few cousins and a little friend who does Joy School with us, and so we switch off as moms once a month or once every few months, doing a fun activity with the kids and letting them just play and interact with each other. We do preschool online. All of us are using the same program, so here and there we've been getting together and letting the girls play, and this time was my turn. We went to the room and we got to play with the animals at the room, which was so fun. There's a park nearby, so we went and played at the park, and then we went out to eat. And if you're ever in Springville and you come to the room, you can go to Maggleby's. It's just down the street. It's so delicious. My favorite thing there is the blackened shrimp and salmon salad. It is so good. So come see us at the room and head over to Maggleby's for that delicious salad. Oh, I got new glasses, which I was gonna wear them right now. I don't know why I'm not. Maybe I should go get them and put them on. Here they are. I had to run down and get them. I don't know if you know this about Clint, but is that annoying that there's a big glare on him now? Where can I put my head so there's not a glare? I don't know if you know this about Clint, but he has better than 20/20 vision. He can see so well. All the time when we're driving in the car and doing things, he tells me the stuff he can see. I'm like, you can see that? My eyes just must be getting worse and worse with each pregnancy. So I went to the optometrist, and he was like, you almost have 20/20 vision. You don't technically need glasses. But I do have a little stigmatism, which makes it harder to drive at night. So I don't need them to drive. I don't really need them to see. I'm near perfect vision, but every time when I'm with Clint, I'm like, my eyesight is getting so much worse because he can see all this stuff that I can't, but turns out my eyesight's still pretty good too. But they are cute. Don't you like them? I think I will take them off for the rest of the video though, because I want you to see my eyes, but now I look naked. Oh no, what do I do? Is it annoying that there's a glare in my eyes? Okay. Owen and Penny started soccer, which has been so fun. It's busy, it's chaotic. So we have games Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which has been fun, but a little chaotic, a little crazy to have them both in soccer. We we opened the room again. It's been so fun to have the room open. I've absolutely loved it. I've loved meeting you guys who come in. It's such a special place. It's inviting and warm and intimate, and it's been so amazing to have it open and to meet you guys. Here's a clip of a ton of people who came the other night. Oh, and look at these cute little room helpers. Martha loves Big Daddy. It's so cute. She crawls right over to him, and sometimes Clint will get him out of his enclosure and let him wander around the room. Martha just follows him, crawls behind him, and pets his little shell so soft, and then keeps following. Oh, it's the cutest thing. I love it. We celebrated Easter, which was so fun. I love getting together with my family. They're some of our very closest friends, and it's so fun to celebrate with them and remember our Savior Jesus Christ. I am so happy that you're joining me today. I know it's been a long time, but I'm really looking forward to getting back into videos. It's going to be so fun. I have so many great ideas planned, and I'm just thankful that you stuck with me and you're being patient with me as our schedules change, our kids grow, and things become different, and I have to find new boundaries with editing and videos so that I can spend as much time with the kids as I can. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.